Apple is going to temporarily close all of its remaining Apple stores in the UK. The UK's having COVID troubles, man. London, high numbers, mutations, all the rest of it.
Mutations, wow.
Sounds
so
I don't know.
deadly.
I'm laughing out of a sense of nervousness, not necessarily humor.
Yeah.
Anyway, Apple, I guess, was trying to maintain a sense of normalcy by keeping certain stores open in that market. However, now it's shutting them down completely. All 18 UK Apple stores will close from January 5th. Every location in Scotland and most of the other stores had actually closed before the holidays. So you're talking complete lockdown status all across the UK, from Ireland to England to Scotland. Although it looks like there's only one store in Ireland by the looks of it on this particular map. So not necessarily surprising, but an indication via tech, via Apple, an indication of the state of affairs going on over there. And I guess it's an online only experience for now, not just in the UK, probably elsewhere too.
Can they pick up product
Yeah,
in
that's
the stores?
So
or
that's the thing.
Is it completely shut down?
If you have them,
or locked down?
if you have a shutdown of the retail store, to me that sounds like you also don't want employees traveling there. To me, that's what that sounds like. That does not sound like a curbside pickup scenario to me.
Right.
But maybe it's one of those halfway things. It all depends on the severity. Because if in the ultimate form of severity, you would just say, hey, order online. We don't even want our employees traveling in here. We want them staying home too. So, but actually, it doesn't state in this particular article if it's going to be any kind of express service. Oh, actually, some of the stores will continue offering an express service. And in those cases, you could pick up online orders, but no browsing. So it sounds like some of them will go express. Some of them will close completely. Anyway, obviously not ideal news. But as far as stores are concerned, Apple, not really that essential.
No.
Right? Most people are ordering this stuff online anyways.
Yeah.